Babalway defends Nicole Niava's saucy shoot against critics. Socialite Babalway Neno strongly defended video vixen and her Nicole Niava after videos from a sizzling lingerie shoot got tongues wagging. Nicole herself and the back room shared behind-the-scenes clips of the socialite covered in baby oil, wearing nothing but a revealing black number. The comments section of the post was lit with some people labeling Nicole smoking hot while others weren't as impressed. One follower wrote, "She's flames because she smothered baby oil all over her body. She's alright." Another person slammed the way nudity was always glorified. Babalway quickly entered to give haters a piece of her mind and told the one person to smother baby oil on herself so they could judge how hot it made her. The person didn't take the comment lightly. "I don't need to take off my clothes to prove I'm beautiful, but you're more than welcome to imagine me through my pictures," she said. Barb's also hit back hard. "LOL, okay mama, but each to their own. You can't take away that she's hot, baby oil or not.